Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right tool and a good GIF. Choose software compatible with Windows 10 or 11. This avoids driver conflicts. Once downloaded, install and run the app with admin rights so it can access the desktop. Make sure the GIF is optimized for resolution and file size to prevent lag. You want seamless playback, so set the app to launch at startup now, which saves time later. And verify your GPU drivers are up to date for smoother rendering. You now import the GIF and adjust playback settings, set loop mode, and choose a frame rate that balances smoothness and CPU use, typically 24-30 FPS. Once done, scale the image to match your monitor's resolution. Choose fill or center depending on composition. Make sure audio is muted unless desired, because background sound can be distracting. After applying, keep an eye on CPU/GPU usage in Task Manager. If usage spikes, reduce quality or frame rate to maintain system responsiveness. You finish by saving your profile and enabling launch at startup so the GIF returns after reboots. If you see stutter or battery drain, reduce frame rate or downscale the GIF to a lower resolution. This lowers GPU load. If the wallpaper refuses to apply, run the app as administrator and disable other desktop customizers. Make sure Explorer. EXE is not restricted. Finally, keep drivers and the app updated. These simple steps prevent most problems and keep the animated background smooth and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.